Well, welcome to today's weird and wacky video outside of Palm Springs. we are visiting some unique sites to be seen. So we are at the Salton Sea today on Bombay Beach Club, about an hour outside of Palm Springs. And
this video is going to be a little weird and a little beautiful.
So Bombay Beach, the whole Salton Sea area was known back in like the 1950s for a luxury place for residents of Palm Springs and celebrities and all of that to come and visit. It was a tourist destination and for water skiing, fishing, all that kind of stuff. But in the 1970s, runoff started coming into the lake and the salinity level of the lake started rising and made it pretty much toxic for not only people who came here to visit, but for the residents around here. So pretty much everybody here abandoned the town, all the resorts, all of that kind of stuff. Well, over the last several years, people have kind of built this little area back up into like these art installations that we're going to show you today. They are funky and weird, and we're just gonna go see what we see today. So
let's go see some junk.
Yeah, let's go.
Noise. What's up, bro?
Oh, hey there, neighbor.
You let me in? open bar, man. All right, that was it from the Bombay Beach Club here on the Salton Sea.
That was so
Crazy artifacts, junk, whatever you want to call it. The next stop will be the Imperial Sand Dunes. Hopefully. Stay tuned. We don't know where this day is going, as usual. All right, now we have traveled about an hour or something, and we are at the Imperial Sand Dunes. Oh.
All right, I'm gonna try to make it up the sand dune here. Oh my God. It just sink down. I'm causing an avalanche. Oh, that was so fun. Those sand dunes are super cool.
Sand dunes out in the middle of nowhere, south of the Salton Sea.
It's like the farmland just ends and the sand dunes are right there.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Highly recommend it.
Who knew?
Yeah.
So, on to the next.
have traveled an hour and a half across the entire canyon landscape to Borrego Springs, and this place.
It's called Galleta Meadows.
Yeah.
And it's an art installation. So it was inspired by the work of Dennis Avery, the late landowner of Galleta Meadows in Borrego Springs. His passion for bringing art to the local community and its visitors. There's 130 large-scale freestanding metal sculptures produced by artist Ricardo Bracita and referred to as sky art. There's no way we're getting to all 130.
The sun just went right over the mountains, so we'll go to a few. We'll do the best we can.
But definitely check it out if you're in the area, because it's really freaking cool and it's free.
What you got in there, buddy?
I'm gonna take that gold.
Oh. Yes, my gold! Poor dinosaur. It'll be okay, buddy. It'll be okay. Oh, I can see why he died. There's a big gash in him.
Oh no.
Holy moly. I'm sorry, buddy.
Oh my god. We gotta go. We gotta run.
Run. Doing a good job, guys.
Well, that is it for day 3 of our Palm Springs, outside of Palm Springs adventure.
Yeah.
What a crazy cool stuff we saw today.
Holy moly.
Between
It's gonna
Bombay,
be one hell of a video.
Bombay Beach, the sand dunes, and these Galleta art sculpture, or
Yeah.
Borrego Springs Galleta art sculptures. So cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. A little bit different than what we normally do, but we thought it would be cool to bring it to you guys.
Weird,
So
beautiful, amazing.
crazy.
Crazy. Highly recommend this area.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty cool.
No, it doesn't get enough love, I don't think.
No. All right. Well, that is it for our adventure. So thank you for joining us today on our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. I forgot what I was saying.
Razor getting off. again. On two.
Oh my god.